Hello guys and welcome to your bonus periodic table tutorial. Now the point of this tutorial is entirely I don't know, a fun tutorial types, and it's just your general knowledge in case someone's a little bit insane like me, and wants to remember certain elements of the periodic table. Then it's for those people who want to go a little bit crazy and go out of the way of our ICSE board examinations and actually um, learn up the uh, elements of different groups. Just seven of them, I think. No, not even seven groups. Yeah, I think seven of them. So, guys, it's really easy. Like, I'll start off with the first one. I'll take in HLIKNA. Oopsie, see there, I committed a mistake. It's HLINAK. Now I'll tell you how I remember them. Everyone can have certain shortcuts for all of these, but I have my own special funny moments while remembering them. HLINAK RB CS FR. Guys, how I remember this is it's a funny Hindi. It's all in Hindi, by the way. So if you're not good at Hindi, then I think you won't understand. So it's this way. It's really funny, at least for the first timers. Hamare liye na. The N is just a na. Karo. RB is Rab, and Rab is God. Say, or SCE or SE, anything. Rab se Faryad. So that's how it is. And then let's go to the this is basically um, group 1A. Alright, so if you want to go to 2A now, let's go to 2A. It's got funny elements in it too. For instance, you have BE, which is which is beryllium. MG, CA, SR, BA, R. And what was the R with? Let me remember. Yes, it was R. Sorry, yes, it was RA. So how I remember this one is, where are my colors? Right, so this is beta, mange, car, scooter. Yeah, I know, that's funny. You can laugh, you have all the liberty in the world to laugh. Scooter, Bap. Bap means father. Roe. Yeah, so this means that the son asks for a car, a scooter, and the father cries. So that's how I remember it. It'll take you some time to remember it, but I'm just sharing knowledge here. This is really cool knowledge, according to me. And I'm not gonna go to inner transition and transition elements, but just normal 3A ones now. So I'll go to this one. I think it's boron. Yeah, it's boron. So it's boron. Then you have aluminium. Then you have gallium. Then you have, I think, yeah, you have indium. Indium is actually, I think, after India or so, I don't know. And then you have TL, which is thallium. Now how I remember this is really easy. Let me write this in Hindi. It's bangan. Or let's just go to vegetables in it. Bangan, aloo, gajar. Gajar means carrot, aloo means potato. Bangan, aloo, gajar. In means, it's actually in in thela. And thela is actually again a Hindi word. Thela means a bag or a plastic bag. So this is just a woman going shopping and buying some vegetables. So you have bangan, aloo, gajar, and thela. Yeah. So I wish I could hear you laughing right now. Anyway, late. So I'm just gonna be control seeing everything now. So say goodbye to all your betas and your rab ke faryads. Um, let's move on. Oh wow, I'm out of control Z's. Oh no, I'm not. See. So now let's move on to, I think we were on to 4A. So change of color schemes. 4A. What is it? It's yeah, it's C, which is carbon, silicon. It was germanium, uh, SN, and PB. So there you have it. This is really easy. Chemistry, again a Hindi word. Sirf means only. So chemistry, you have sirf or sirf. Genius, yeah, GE for genius, not for the Parle G genius. I'm sorry, I have to do this again. Yeah, so G man genius and genius. Students, notice how I remember the S and the N in them. Padhte hain. Now this is the only one, it's got two words, I understand, but anyway, I just had to make up something, so yeah, might as well just be this. So I know this is funny, I know this is a truth actually, and now I come on to 5A. Which is nitrogen, phosphorus, astatine. Sorry, I'm really sorry, that's not astatine, that must be arsenic. Then I have Sp and I have Bi, which is bismuth. And here it goes like Nana Patekar. So this is related to Bollywood. There is an actor. In fact, he's a very famous actor, Nana Patekar. I don't know if you've heard of him. And I don't know. I just made this up. I think he's an actor or something. It's Asnari. And then you have sub, not the sub TV, but sub meaning everyone. Bhikari. So you have Nana Patekar, Asnari, Sub, Bhikhari. So this is how you remember the fifth group. I'm sorry. Alright, inching closer towards victory. Now 6A, which is oxygen. It's what's this? I forgot. It's a sulfur. Sorry, sulfur. And then it's selenium something. Then you have tellurium, and then you have polonium. If as far as I can remember, it's a real good memory aid, by the way. So now you have old style. Notice this one, it has a very key feature in it. Old style, say, te. Same ones, guys, same ones. It's old style, say, te, po. So I don't know if you guys know what tepo means. It's just like copying, like when you guys cheat, when people cheat in an exam, it's tapoing. So it's just like copying, or just when you want to copy someone word to word, it's tapo. So it's old style, say tapo. So in this case, all the last three elements, they're the same. So this is really helpful. So now say goodbye to all the nanoparticles and the chemistry students. We're now moving on to a very famous one. It's 7A, double 7A. Now I remember class 10. I don't know, he's a very famous guy. His name is Abhir. Abir Bipin. Now he told me a really funny method of naming this group: FCl, BR, I, and 80. Now 80 is again radioactive, and even francium is radioactive. So that guy, he told me that you can remember it this way. I quite liked it. It said French. This one's English. Clients, bug, Indians, and he said that because of this being radioactive, he did not have a name, but I just kept it as always or something, just so that there's something there to represent that poor astatine, which is radioactive. Poor guy, not his fault. All right. However, there's another one, guys, which I had on my own, and it was pretty useless, but it's fair kal bahar bahar outside. Fair kal bahar I, or just like I, just remember the I for the iodine. I auntie. So as if you're on a balcony looking at an auntie next door, and she's just come out of a room or someplace. You just say Fir kal bahar I auntie. Oh, so now let's get on to the final bit, and that is 8A, the last group to tackle, and this is really stupid, because I don't really know what it means, but I just made it up using help from some teacher. He said that this would be better. So I don't know. I don't really understand it, and I don't think even you guys would. But if you do, then wow, that's great. Please call me up and tell me what it actually mean. Um, so it's Har. So it's Har Narayan. Har Narayan Agarwal class 10. Class 10, yeah, remember that. Ranipur. That's it. My teacher talked about some Narayan Agarwal being there in every Ranipur, um, in Ranipur in the country, and he came up with Har Narayan Agarwal class 10 Ranipur. So this is just a funny tutorial, guys. Bonus PT, PT not for physical training, but for periodic table, and just help you out. You know, gather some knowledge on how you can actually remember all the elements in a group, and this might just be handy before an exam, or before any other competition if you are applying for any. This is not in syllabus, guys. Please don't get tensed, and if you really like this representation, then please do let me know. I mean, of course, who doesn't like to hear good things about themselves? So anyway, we're done with all the chemistry tutorials now. In fact, this was the last one. My previous one was the final tutorial on hydrocarbons. Really tired. So guys, love you lots, and keep smiling or laughing or whatever. You must be wondering why I keep saying that, but it's just another way of communicating love. So good night, guys, and have fun.